In maxillary palatal side, there are several places to put a mini screw, as marked in blue in the picture. Among them, at this time, I will show you how to place the mini screw on the maxillary palatal alveolus. Between the roots, as marked in green, we can put the screw between the roots of 6 and 7, 5 and 6, 4 and 5. The distance of the screw is less than 8 to 10 mm from CEJ. Cadaver study shows they run vessels and nerve from 12 mm in average from CEJ. The soft palate area is not, behind the 7, the soft palate area is not good for screw placement because cortical bone is very thin and there is palatal foramen. So between 6 and 7 will be the most posterior position for palatal alveolus placement. Let's do it on the typodont. Step 1. Determine the distance from CJ. Around 8 mm will be fine, less than 10 mm. Step 2. Anesthesia around the insertion point. Small amount, not the whole tooth. Step 3. Mark the reference line by pressing the tissue. Aim the center between the roots, not tilting neither medially or distally. Use a dental mirror to check the correct orientation. And press the tissue. Then you can see the reference line. Step 4. Determine the point of entry. Step 5. Pick up the screw. Because the soft tissue in palatal alveolus is thicker than that of the buccal side, I'm going to use 1.6 mm in diameter, 8 mm long screw. Use motor-driven handpiece or E-driver with a short shaft. In every palatal insertion, it is strongly recommended to use motor-driven handpiece or E-driver with different lengths of shaft. So step 6, set the insertion pass. Aim the center between the root. Check from multiple directions with the dental mirror. Set the insertion pass occlusively perpendicular to the surface. Step 7. Finish the insertion. Once you set up the pass, press the button of the handpiece and finish the insertion. Keep the pass constantly during the entire insertion. Using a small manual handle in palatal side, it is very difficult to manipulate the shaft. Difficulty in maintaining the pass straight. It can cause wobbling during insertion. Therefore, for palatal side insertion, please use motor-driven handpiece or E-driver with different lengths of shaft. Let's take a look at in a real patient. Topical anesthesia, infiltration anesthesia, mark the reference line by pressing the tissue. With 1.6 mm diameter, 8 mm long, set the insertion pass perpendicular to the surface. Aim the center between the root. Use motor-driven handpiece or E-driver with a short shaft.